Hey guys, here's another quick video about noise floor for my voice actors and audiobook narrators. If you're dealing with a high noise floor, I'm going to give you a couple of possibilities so you can address it and fix it without using a lot of effects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start recording in my closed, quiet booth. Now I'm going to open the door so my computer noise can bleed in. I'm going to stop it right here just to show you the difference. Let's get rid of my dialogue and mark the difference, okay? So this is with my quiet studio, and this is with the computer noise. You can see there is a big difference. So if you can, move your computer as far away from your microphone as possible. That will help you with noise floor. Another thing it could be, I just turned on my heater. Get rid of my dialogue here and mark the spot. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is where my quiet studio was, right? With a little bit of noise. I mean, that's manageable. And then you have right here where I opened my studio door and let my computer noise bleed in. And this is with my HVAC on. So your air conditioner, your heater. As you can tell, your microphone is not going to just pick up your voice alone. It's going to pick up every other noise in the room. So if you're struggling with a high noise floor, consider turning off your fans, moving your computer away as far as possible from your microphone, and turning off your HVAC while you record at least. This will prevent you from having to use a lot of effects to reduce these noises, thus saving your overall audio quality for your audiobook or for your voice acting. Other sources of noise could also be ceiling fans, appliance noises, LED lights. Your phone could even offer a little bit of noise. Just take a listen in your studio and listen for any noises that you may be accustomed to, but the microphone could also pick up and affect your noise floor. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and consider subscribing. And also check out Avio's Journey Academy. If you want to join, the link is below. Thanks for watching.